So,
tell me all about it.
right, what's happened is now we managed to strip all the windows. We completed that job yesterday. But what happened was this window here. It was late last night. It was going dark, and we decided, probably me, put a coat of Seekings on it. And the Seekings we bought, I'll show you. Oh. Was this one? Mahogany. But we didn't think it'd be as red. We painted it, it looked terrible.
Yeah, it looked really, really bad. As in really, really red, and we didn't really want it.
Yeah, it come up like that. Anyway,
yeah, we didn't really want it like that, did we?
That was only one coat. And really, you didn't have to do like 2 or 3 coats. So it would have gone really red, and we didn't want that. We didn't want that look, because that red was stuck out against this timber here. See, that's the timber we're putting up. It's like, okay, that's got a bit of preservative on there. It's quite natural, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're stuck
it's
out
going
like
to look really nice. Because it'll go silvery, won't it, that?
So what we had to do is sand it down again.
Yeah.
So this one's been cleaned and desanded twice. That was nice.
Yeah, so let's have a closer look.
Yeah.
Do you know, I know there's a bit of green and a bit of white on, and, but I think that looks amazing.
It stands out, doesn't it? Well?
Yeah, it's going to look really good when it's up.
So I went back down the DIY, down the Harvard Timber, and I bought this Danish oil. So far they've had like a good one coat on there.
Yeah. And that one as well. That's going to look amazing up there, isn't it? Yeah. So tell me what we're all set up then in there. Show me the glass.
Oh yeah. So once they're all painted, we've got to paint the metalwork on there. We've got to paint it black. I've got some black tractor paint in the shed. So you can paint all the ironwork black.
Yes, yeah.
And then once we've done that, they're all completed, you can glaze it. So I bought some toughened glass. So the next job is after we've done that.
Yeah, Shane had to drive back at 20 miles an hour.
Yeah, because
because that was on the back of the van.
Going through the roads in Newcastle is like unbelievable. It's like super bumpy. My van is like, to be honest, would have been better off picking it up in the car, but there you go.
Yeah.
So my van was like all over the place, and this is bouncing everywhere.
Yeah, so glass replacement.
Say toughen. Oh yeah, TGH.
Just try and go to a shot there.
Must be toughened that T. That must be toughened glass T. I think.
I can't get in focus, but yeah.
Come back.
But don't worry about it.
I think you just normally press that.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
You got manual focus as well. Look.
Oh yeah.
That's it. There you go.
Autofocus. Oh, that's better. So yes. Safety glass.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to getting these in.
Yeah, and you got your putty ready?
That's in the house.
Yeah.
Swept up because this was like a bomb's gone off and here it's like paint. Should have showed it before, it was like a rag before.
There's a bucket full.
I used like half a bag of sandpaper. God. So if anybody wants any windows reclaimed and stripped and sanded, don't come to us.
And if you're thinking, what's that noise? What's that noise? What's that going on? Yeah, that's what's going on. That before was
Red wall.
a wall there.
Not anymore.
Yeah. So yeah, there you go. It's all gone. It's desolate. Well, things have to get worse before they get better, don't they? Hey? What do you think, Doc?
Yep, that's it.
So, what's next on the plan then?
Dinner.
Good idea, let's go.
Right. So, where are we up to today? We've finally finished putting the membrane up. So that is now all watertight.
Oh, actually, got
Done
that.
that. I'm done down here. The only thing we've got to do, is where we've cut round here, you can still get water in there if it rained against the thingy, so against the window. So we're going to put some more in there, another piece, and so it's cut round there and staple out. So we've got to do that on that one and that one over there.
Yeah, that'd be really good.
Just finished up before we fit the windows, because the windows are now done. So Mal's painted them. Any Mal?
Yes. Yes, I painted them.
It's a brilliant job. With these.
Well, actually, they haven't been painted. What we've done,
Oh, oiled them.
yeah, what we've done, we haven't painted them. We've used Danish oil. So we have stripped all the old paint off with a heat gun, first of all, and then we've got some Danish oil and we've put Danish oil on them after we've heat gone and sanded them down, and then painted all the handles.
All the ironwork over it.
All the ironwork, yeah. It's really nice, that does. Feel like amazing. So now we're ready to...
This feels lovely.
Yeah,
Feels nice,
I'm
that
really
does.
pleased with the finish.
Yeah, it feels really
We wanted
nice.
it like oldie worldy, didn't we?
Yep,
So I think we're going to achieve that, aren't we?
hopefully.
Yeah. So what's next then, Doug?
So next, multi-purpose putty. So we've got a putty, got some little nails, got a scraper, hammer, glasses in there ready to go. So we're just going to putty them up, get them glazed, and we're going to fit them tonight.
Yeah. So just run through the plan with the fitting the glass then. Tell me what you told me before. What we're going to do is
What we're going to
start on this one.
We'll get a bead of putty on there all the way around. Put a bead of putty on, just a small bead of putty all the way around. So you want to add a couple of mil. Well, once you've got it on there, then you get your glass, push it down, and it'll give you like a couple of mil seal all the way around. So as you're pushing your glass down, level it up, central. And then we've got some tacks over there, just put some little nails in. You know, 4, one there, one there, one there, one there. That'll just steady your glass. And then just put it at the top and scrape it up.
Yeah, we have watched a few YouTube videos, haven't we?
Yeah,
How
we
to
will
do
be
this.
professionals. If in doubt,
YouTube it.
YouTube it and find out.
Yeah. So,
So you'll see the finished progress.
yeah, that's great.
You'll see it once it's done.
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do.
Yeah, right then, let's do it.
So I've done this before, guys.
Yeah. When did you do it before, Shane?
When it's living small thing.
Yeah. You forget your keys.
I used to forget my keys to my house and lock myself out. And I used to have to smash my front door window, let myself in, and then buy a piece of glass and re-put it up. So I've done that about 4 or 5 times.
So you're pushing it into the gap.
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah.
Because the excess you can use again.
Yeah. Do you want to have a go?
Yeah.
That's great, isn't it, that?